In this video, you are going to see how to change the app style on your Realme mobile. Even you can install any third-party applications from Google Play Store or any different trusted sources. You can apply on your mobile without any issues by following these steps. First, pinch the screen like this, and bottom you can see some options. From here, select the icons option. Here are some default icons that comes on your Realme mobile. If you install any third-party applications, it will show here. In my case, I didn't download any apps, so that's why it's not showing. So these are the default ones which comes right after unboxing the mobile. You can see the live preview on the top side how these app icons looks like. And also if you want, you can customize these app icon sizes as well by increasing or decreasing the icon slider. Also, if in case you downloaded any third-party apps from the Play Store or any trusted websites, maybe some of the apps are not well optimized for all different softwares. For example, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, these are the apps that are by default they looks the same in almost all type of app icons, but some didn't. In that case, enable this art plus icons option where it use the redesigned icons for the third party applications, so you don't need to worry if in case it is looking little awkward. If in case you want, you can enable or disable the app names by selecting the last option. After all checking these things, click on the apply. That's all. Now you changed the app icons on your Realme mobile. These are some more videos related to Realme UI settings. If in case you are interested and want to know more about your mobile, click these videos.